Another really important part of working with 3D objects, especially when you're going to animate, is working with the object's anchor point. And that's not super clear where that is in Elements. That's what we're going to talk about in this movie. We have this little project. I have this telephone pole, the one that ships with Element, tracked to a live action shot here. And I want to make it seem like it's toppling over, like it's going to fall over. Of course, my shadow is fake here, so when I drop this down, it's not going to look right with the shadow. But also spins from the center, because by default, when you create a 3D object in Element, it puts the anchor point right in the center. So if we want to have this topple over, it's not going to work. So to remedy this, let's go ahead and click the Scene Setup button. Then click on the object itself. And then when we see the options down here, we'll see the anchor point drop down. And like I said, but by default, it's in the model center. We want this on the bottom. You could choose the model's anchor point if you've set it up somewhere else in the original modeling program, 3D program. And we also have these orthographic views. So we're going to use bottom, and we're going to click OK. And then I need to reposition this with the particle replicator stuff. Put that back into place right about there. That's good. And then we can go to the particle look section. And now I could adjust Z rotation and make this thing topple over and look right. Of course, we have some shadow issues to deal with, but the point is the anchor point's in the right spot, and now we can animate this correctly.